namin ng isang matandang lalaki at bibigyan namin siya ng fist bump.
If he do not bump my fist, I will not drop the coins to his cup.
What? 1 million moment before.
Hi guys, I will cross the world today, but I'm afraid, so I will try my best. We're here at bottom Davao City.
Let's go, Zoe.
Yan,
Hold my tight. Hold. No, wait.
okay.
Go. Wait, Zoe. Go.
That was so scary. They were trying to squash us with his feet. That's not scary, bro. Oh, ow. La, what? The ball. Oh, shit.
Hi guys, we're here at our child last week. So we need to go with us.
We saw an old man and we're gonna give him a face bump. Come on, do it!
How much you give? How much it? 5 peso?
I don't know. 1 million.
1 million? This is 1 million views. Okay, let's go. Let's go na.
We're here at the 7-Eleven. We're going to... Yay!
Palitin na si Joey dito.
We're na home.
Tara. Why baon daw siya? Fist bump taliya, fist bump. Fist bump. Oh.
1 million moment before.
Kami diri karon sa drive-thru Jollibee. Tapos na nakita na lalaki diri na bata oh. Tawa. Why baon daw siya? Fist bump taliya, fist bump. Fist bump. Oh. Fist bump.
Why can you give him another bag?
How much you give taliya? How much? How much it? Sa coin for a baon lang?
I think.
5? Okay, at least you give a 5. So, we pick up our order here. 10? 10 only? Because you don't have ano pa man no, work no? But it's okay, you help little kid, you give ano.
How would you give me 10 to give it?
So, wait!
Tada!